Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. We have Wish Week. Remember, we usually have it on Wednesdays only. This 2 weeks we have, and we are right into it, we have some Wish songs thrown in here and there. So you wish for songs, I bring them up here during these 2 weeks more than usually. So this time we have you, Fabian, I think that is your name. You wished for HARLOE's Crush on You. So first time I heard this song was because of you, and it wasn't really my cup of tea, but it has really grown on me, this song. It's a nice one. So yeah, I'm happy that you interacted with me, Fabian. So I hope you will enjoy this, and if there are HARLOE fans out there, this one is for you as well. Let's take a look at this nice song. We have the capo set here on the 1st fret. That is important because we have the best possible scenario for us with the capo on 1st. So let's do that, and let's go over the chords. So we have G first, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have F, and that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have also the E minor, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And that's it, actually. So we have 3 chords, G, F, and E minor. And yeah, let's do this together. We have one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song. And we have these notes we want to highlight for each and every chord. So they are pretty dominant in the song. So it's nice if you can do that. And if you looked or watched, listened to the introduction of the tutorial, you will hear that I'm playing 2 different styles. One style is just playing downs, okay, with the strumming pattern. And the other style is to have a pick instead of playing downs, okay? So with the picking technique, there is more accuracy with that. You can really control what notes you are picking. So that is the pros with having the picking technique with you. So I'm going to show you both ways. So let's start with the chord progression, and we're going to look at the strumming first. So G, grab that chord. One string around will be down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so down, clap, down, down, clap. And after the last clap, you do a short pause there, so. Alright, so I think we are ready. Let's start from the beginning. We have G, 2 string rounds, and here you want to highlight the 3rd fret B string. Okay, this notes. So you do that either with the downs, but when you do the downs, then it's pretty important that you stop the down at the B string. So you try to avoid the last E string. Okay? Because that will be the most efficient way to highlight a note, is to play that as the last note. So try to do the stop there at the down. If you want, you can go over to the picking technique, and what you do there is to incorporate the bass string, which is the 3rd fret E string, all right, with some added notes in between. It's not that important which note you're bringing there, but the last note is of course the 3rd fret B string. So that is the other way of handling these chords, is with the picking technique. You pick, play them all together like this, okay? So either go down or pick. It's up to you. So we have again G, 2 string rounds. So either go down, clap, down, down, clap, or picking. All right. Then over to next chord, which is the F. Here you want to highlight the 1st fret B string. You have that barred. that note, first fret B string. You're gonna do 2 string rounds of that as well, either strumming or picking like this. Or right? So G2, F2, then you go back and play G2 again. In the same way as you started. Then you have 1 down or 1 pick of the following chords. G, where you highlight the 3rd fret B string still. And then you pick 1 more time on G, but now you highlight the 3rd fret E string. Sorry, the open E string. So instead of playing the 3rd fret B string now, you highlight the open E. Okay, so 1 down or 1 pick on G with 3rd fret B string, then 1 down or 1 pick with G again with the open E string. Then you go over to E minor and play with the open B string highlighted now. And remember, still we have the bass note, the open E string for E minor, and other strings from the chord, perhaps the D and G, but the open B string is the important one. And then you go over to F and play 1 last pick on that one, or down, with the 1st fret B string emphasized. And again, this F is the 1st fret E string with the added strings D or G, D and G perhaps, but the 1st fret B string is the important one. And then you end this strumming round, chord progression round, with F1 strumming around. Still the C, the C note, the 1st fret B string emphasized. Right? And that is the end of the chord progression. So to summarize this, we had G2, F2, G2, then 1 down of the following chords and notes, G with the 3rd fret B string, then G again with the open E string, then E minor with the B, open B string, then F with the 1st fret B string, and then you end with 1 string round of F. And then you jump right back again and start with G2, F2, and so on. That's what's going on throughout the song. So I'm gonna play it for you, 1 or 2 rounds, then let's go. Alright guys, I showed you 1 down and 1 picking version. HARLOE's Crush on You. Hope you enjoyed this, Fabian, and if you did, yeah, give me a like on this one. I think I earned it actually, so thank you and all your HARLOE fans, and if you can support me, that would make my day. Thank you so much. Until next time, play tuned.